Hello, my dear children. On your sweet voices, when you all wish everyone saying Happy Independence Day on 15th August, it is so nice to hear. But do you all know the meaning of Independence Day? Yes, I am sure you must be heard it by your parents and feeling very proud about it. As you all know, it's a long story, but very sweet story for which we Indians should be very proud and hear it again and again. It's children, isn't it? So, are you all ready to listen to the story of your Independence Day one more time, which we are celebrating on 15th August every year? In ancient times, or 1,000 years ago, our country, India, was known as Golden Sparrow. The major factor why India was called as Golden Sparrow is because India was the land of luxury goods, like we would export spices, without which Mama can prepare a good curry. Perfumes of jasmine and sandalwood. Fabulous textiles like silk and cotton. There were huge demand and foreigners are ready to pay any price for these trade products. Trade means the action of buying and selling goods and services. They were exchanging goods. India was prosperous because India had rich trade practices, and in exchange of goods, India was accepting gold. So there was lots and lots of gold in India. Not only that, Indians were growing all kinds of crops. We were healthy and wealthy, and there was no shortage for anything. This prosperity is attracted by foreign invaders. With a blink of an eye, nobody knew how did India came under the rule of invaders like Mughals, Portuguese, Dutch, French and British rulers. They looted our wealth, treasure and even our independence. Indians were treated as slaves. We were unable to sell our own goods but imposed taxes, paid very less for the work done. Education was only a dream. Poverty was everywhere. It was like life behind bars. This was not tolerated, and there began freedom struggle. The Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs and all other brave sons of India fought shoulder to shoulder to throw out British. It's not only men but thousands of brave women and children were fought for freedom. Behind the celebration of independence on 15th August 1947, there is much violent and chaotic. There were wars, movements done by thousands of spirited Indian freedom fighters. All these freedom fighters of India fought, struggled and even sacrificed their lives as an effort to free India from British rule. The Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhiji, that is asking these foreign invaders to leave India. Imagine without independence, what would be our state today? Living like jail in our own house. Finally, India got independence on 15 August 1947 after a long history of struggle and sacrifice, and as the symbol of Indian Independence Day, the tricolor national flag hoisted. The flag, the three colors represent saffron represents courage and sacrifice, white represents truth and purity, green represents faith, fertility and growth. The wheel of the virtue also represents motion or growth. Unity in diversity is India's strength. There is simplicity in every Indian. India is a big country. There are 22 major languages and more than 1,600 sub-languages. There were so many communities like Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Sikhs. List continues. Beautification of Indian culture is our festivals and their celebration. It shows the diversified culture of India. This Independence Day, let's take a pledge to protect the peace and unity of our great nation. Happy Independence Day!